Yeah. What's poppin'? This is your boy Apocalypse, also known as the Rap Lord, man. Y'all chillin' with me today on www.myspace.com/Apocalypse29. Hey, yo, to all the world that's out there, this is your boy Apocalypse. I'm chilling in my laboratory right now. This is where it all go down. This is where I did my whole album at, man. All my music is done right here, man, in my laboratory, man. Big shout out to my boy J Roller, my boy Mizzy the Heavyweight, my boy Yellow Boy Cricket, my boy Big Boy D, everybody who's doing music, man. Anybody trying to do a dream, they trying to come up and do something for themselves, man. I give a shout out to y'all, man. Everybody working hard right now. You know what I'm saying? We in a recess, so you know what time it is, man. You know what I'm saying? I got my new album coming out. It's called Globalize. It's gonna be out soon for the summertime. Music coming out with the pre-show for the summertime. The Rise of Apocalypse is already out, already on the internet, man. I'm already globalized already, man. You know what I'm saying? People don't even know, man. I ain't even got to hit the block, man. My stuff is already on the internet. You understand what I'm saying? That's how I do it, cuz you can go to www.songcast.com and type in Apocalypse, man, and you can go download my song for 99 cents. You understand what I'm saying? You can download any one of my tracks, 99 cents, hot tracks coming out, you know what I'm saying? Also, I'm working on my new album, Anubis, set to be released in 2010. I really ain't got no date set yet, but it's going to be released sometime in 2010, man, in the middle of the year, somewhere around there, you know what I'm saying? But it's going to come. My boy Busy, set to release, it means necessary, 1/1/10, you know what I'm saying? January 1st, 2010, means necessary. Gonna be a hot album. My boy J Rod working on a couple of singles, you know what I'm saying? Yellow Boy working on a couple of singles, you know what I'm saying? That's how we do this thing, man. Pyramid Kings. We coming up, man. We doing shows. We gonna be everywhere, man. We got a show coming up June 13th over there in Plant City. I'll be performing at the casino in August. You know what I'm saying? Just like I did last year, toward the stage, you know what I'm saying, at the Hard Rock Casino. You know what I'm saying? Little nigga coming up. You know, so we got a lot of things going on, man. We're just working on our projects, working on our music. It ain't gonna never stop. This is how we gonna do it. Apocalypse, the king of the dark underworld. You understand what I'm saying? Anubis. I'm gonna release that in 2010, and then I'm gonna turn around and release, you know what I'm saying, 2012, Rapping the Mass Destruction. You better be prepared for me, boy. I'm kicked back in my laboratory. You know what I'm saying? To everybody doing music, all my homeboys I grew up with, man, you know what I'm saying? Stay strong, stay up, man. We gonna make this thing, you know what I'm saying? We just gotta stay up, keep working on music, keep doing our dream that God told us to do, and we gonna make it, you know what I'm saying? We can't give up. We gotta keep that faith. You know what I'm saying? God bless the child that can hold his own. And again, to all y'all haters out there, keep hating, man. Y'all making me stronger, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm in my zone right now. I'm in my zone, man. I got 3 albums under my belt, man. You better be prepared for me. Apocalypse, you know what I'm saying? Pyramid Kings. Holla, baby.